Good day, everyone. We are the researchers. My name is Johanna Revalo.
I am Mary Ann Guillermo
Alan Grayson
From Isabela State University, Kawayan Campus. Today, we will present our quantitative research study titled Design and Development of an Online QR-Based Reservation for School Parking Lots. This project aims to improve parking management through the use of technology, particularly QR code system.
Introduction. To begin, various studies have already proven how QR-based system can enhance efficiency in different settings. For example, a study by Smith and Du in 2021 developed a similar system that helped manage parking in urban areas. At ISU Kawayan Campus, parking is currently managed manually, which often results in congestion and disputes over space. Our study aims to address these challenges by developing a more organized and convenient QR-based reservation system for parking. Objectives. Our main goal is to design and develop an online QR-based reservation system, especially for school parking lots. To break it down, we aim to identify the common problems encountered in current parking systems, evaluate the proposed system in terms of ease of use, accuracy, efficiency, and performance, security, and reliability. Overall, user satisfaction and system usability.
Methodology Research Design. We use both descriptive and developmental research design. The descriptive method helps us analyze user satisfaction and how often they use the parking system. The developmental approach was used to design and improve the system, incorporating user feedback to refine its features for better performance. Software development methodology, or the development of the system, we follow a systematic software development methodology. This allows us to build the system in phases from planning, design, development, testing, and implementation to ensure it met the needs of the user efficiently.
hardware and software requirements. Core professor plays a crucial role while the minimum requirements of a intercore is sufficient for basic server operations and handling user transaction.
Use diagrams. His diagrams show how the system works for two main types of users, admins and regular users. Admins can manage parking slots, generate reports, and approve reservations. And the user use case flow begins with the user logging into the system or signing up if they do not already have an account. Once a parking spot is reserved, the system provides a QR code, which the user can scan upon entering the parking area to validate their reservation.
System architecture. Our system follows a client-server architecture. User access the platform via mobile or browser, send requests to the server, and the server process those requests, such as generating a QR code for a reservation. The backend handles all the data management while ensuring security and smooth operation. Respondents of the study. For this study, our respondents were 30 students from ISU Kawayan Campus. While we focus on students, future studies may include faculty and visitors who also use the campus parking space.
Instrumentation. To gather insight, we use a 5 points Likert scale to measure to security of parking problems and how will the system perform in accept, like usability, efficiency, and security. This help us quantity user feedback in terms of from a minimum of 4 gigabytes allow the system to run essential operations. For storage, a 128 gigabytes HDD is adequate for storing fundamental data, such as a user reservation and logs. The software requirements define the operating environments for the system, ensuring compatibility, security, and scalability.
We follow the step-by-step process, secured approval and consent, implement the system, distribute surveys, proceed and analyze the data. This ensured that our data collection was ethical and accurate.
Data analysis. We use weighted mean to analyze survey responses. This statistical method allowed us to understand general trends in user satisfaction. The results were interpreted using a Likert scale to categorize feedback as strongly agree, and so on with slide 15.
Here are the highlights of our findings. Problems encountered. Student experience issues with locating parking slot, security, and traffic congestion. Ease of use. The system was found easy to use. Accuracy. The system provided reliable information and reservation confirmation. Efficiency and performance. It reduced time spent searching for parking. Security and reliability. Users felt more secure and trusted the system reliability. System usability. The design and interface were user-friendly. And overall satisfaction. Respondents expressed high satisfaction and interest in continued use. Results and discussion. Based on our analysis, the system effectively addressed the parking issues initially identified. It particularly excelled in ease of use and overall satisfaction. Our findings are also supported by similar studies in the field of smart parking and campus digital transformation. Summary of survey results and recommendation. This summarizes parking issues common problems were validated by student feedback. System evaluation, all criteria show favorable results. Effectiveness, the system was effective in improving parking management. Conclusion, the QR-based reservation system significantly improved the experience for users. Recommendations, we suggest expanding it to faculty and guests, implementing long-term monitoring, and possibly adding new features like license plate recognition.